This isn't just another keyboard switch. It's a promise of pure, unadulterated smoothness. We're diving deep into the Gateron Oil King V2, and let me tell you, the name itself hints at something special. Right out of the box, the packaging is a nice touch. Each of the 108 switches comes nestled in its own slot within a delicate plastic tray, which is fantastic for preventing those dreaded bent pins. Nobody wants to start their build with a damaged switch, right? Now, let's talk about the feel. These are linear switches, meaning a straight, consistent press from top to bottom. Gateron has really nailed the pre-lubrication here. You know how some factory lubes can be hit or miss? Not with these. The Oil King V2s offer a uniquely smooth typing experience right from the get-go. It's like gliding on ice, but for your fingertips. The operation force is a comfortable 55 grams, which feels just right, not too light to cause accidental presses, but light enough for rapid, effortless typing. And when you bottom out, there's a satisfying 65 grams of force, giving it a nice, solid feel without being harsh. What truly sets these apart is that 20mm black-plated spring. It's longer than your average spring, and you can really feel the difference. It provides a stronger, snappier rebound, making each key press feel incredibly responsive and alive. This isn't just about speed, it's about the asterisk quality of the key travel. It's quiet too, which is a huge plus for anyone who values a low-noise setup, whether you're gaming late at night or working in a shared space. Compatibility is broad, which is always a relief. These are 5-pin switches, so they'll slot right into most hot-swappable mechanical keyboards. Plus, they support both 2-pin and 4-pin plug-in LEDs, so your RGB dreams are safe. And for durability, Gateron claims a mechanical life of 60 million presses, which is pretty standard for high-quality switches. But what really caught my eye is the IP66 rating. That means they're highly resistant to dust and even powerful water jets. While you probably shouldn't dunk your keyboard, it's a fantastic peace of mind knowing these switches can handle a bit more than the average spill or dusty environment. Overall, the Gateron Oil King V2 delivers on its promise. It's a premium linear switch that offers an incredibly smooth, consistent, and quiet typing experience, enhanced by excellent factory lubrication and a snappy long spring. If you're looking to upgrade your keyboard's feel, these are definitely worth considering for that buttery smooth performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.